Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Ask for what you want. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask you for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 228. NASDAQ is up 92. S&Ps are up 37. Gold contract trading down 950 at 1,315 an ounce. Silver up 6 cents at $17.81 an ounce. Platinum down $1.70 at $9.77 an ounce. Copper up 5 pennies at $2.17 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.50, trading out at $47.83 a barrel. Bonds, pretty amazing. Ever-ready bond market, folks. 10-year down 1 tick, 133.17. 30-year off 4 ticks, 173. Flat bottom line. They both want higher price. That went up the last 2 days with volume. Pulled back, lighter volume, higher prices coming at us, lower yields. King dollar's down 423 ticks, trading at 96.28. The euro is at $1.10, and the yen is at 102.77. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay. So we go over to the SPY. Your SPY, you're up 320, you're bouncing on 113 million shares, and what I expect you're going to get out here, we're at 202.80. This thing can bounce up to 205, even into 207.75. The 205 level, folks, is the low from the 16th of June. The 207.75 are the lows from the 20th as well as the 21st. This is building a B to a C of an ABC structure on the way down. You get down with monster volume. We get down with Friday with 333 million. Yesterday you get down with 248. You're bouncing on light volume. You get the setup happening. That setup, by the way, is happening right across the world. NDX 100, 3 Qs. Same type of setup in the NDX. You come off the highs. We come off them with 68 million. 50 million yesterday. You're going up with 20 million. The 3 Qs, we're at 104.29. 106.24 is gain inside the 3 Qs. Bonds, what do we have at the bond market? You know, my voice wasn't this bad a few minutes ago. It didn't seem it. I guess I wasn't talking, so. I feel a lot better than my voice sounds, folks, that's for sure. So, let's go take a look at the 10-year. The 10-year, you're sideways movement out here today. You have a million shares traded, million contracts rather. Bottom line, 10-year and the 30 both want higher price. Pretty amazing. And that's right across the world, too, by the way. 30-year out here, hanging at the highs. The highs that we're hanging at 173.03. And the way the 30-year is trading, folks, it looks like it wants to go into the 180s, which is just pretty amazing. King dollar. What do we have a king dollar? Let's take a look at king dollar. We have a king dollar is this. King dollar right now. King dollar is trading out at 96.28. You've done 19,000 contracts, and this is where it's going to get a little tricky here in the metal market. King dollar, folks, looks to me like it's going to make this run for 98.50. So, you know, we had a spike high last Friday and had the juice behind the move. You went from 93.73 up to 96.70. You did the volume behind the move. Yesterday we go sideways. Today we go sideways. What we're actually doing out here today, though, is you're rejecting the lower price from yesterday, and you have lighter volume than yesterday and the prior day. So that's almost saying, you know, these two levels, and the levels that we're talking about, what I'm talking about here specifically, the downdraft that was created on the 3rd of February. That downdraft started at 98. 91 and went down to 97.31. That same correlation, it tried to get higher on March 10th, and it couldn't handle it again. It looks to me like it's going to make that run for that 98.50. We get that, and I suspect if that's the case, you know, gold, XAU, HUI are in ABC structures on the way up. But it doesn't mean that you can't pull back a bit. You know, the GLD, you know, right, we're trading out here at 125. Well, you know, the GLD is going to have gaps all over the place, but let me go back to the contract for a second. You go into the contract, you know, this contract can pull back into 1297 pretty easy. And that wouldn't be a thing, but that's the way it's looking at this particular point. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's take a look at some of the higher volume stocks in this low volume market, because that's what we're going to have out here today. You get low volume across all the indices. Sorry about this, folks. I'm trying to... Okay, some of the higher volume stocks out here today. You get Freeport McMoran up 56 cents. Micron Tech's up 77. You get Citigroup up $2. If we go over, let's go to Citigroup and go to the financials. They're doing an ABC. They're doing a B to C of an ABC structure also on the way down. Citigroup, you're up $2. 27 million shares. That's after blowing downtown with 71 million. These are nice little setups. And more than likely, what we're going to see is that the next leg inside the financials will get us down to the high volume swing low that was generated out here in February. The A point is going to be 44.50 in Citigroup. 38.31's the B, so you get $4. If we get into the 42 area, that's going to give you a 38, and that's still not going to get you down there. 36 to 34 is the lows that were generated down there in February. I suspect that's where we're going though. Some of the Dow stocks we have, let's go to the XLE. Take a look at the XLE. XLE right now is up $1.76. Here at 66.60, also in light volume. ABC structures on the way down look like they're setting up everywhere, folks. You stay right there. We're going to come right back. Dow Industrials up 242. NASDAQ up 97. S&P's up 39. We're going to be right back.